Happy Independence Day to you all. Today we are here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947, India got independence from the British rule. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many other leaders devoted their life for the independence of our country. Their sacrifice can never be forgotten. It has been almost 73 years since India became independent. India has made its development in each and every field. And the most important from them is the defense system of India. The Indian Armed Forces, also known as the Military Forces of the Republic of India, it consists of three professional uniformed services: the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force. Additionally, the Indian Armed Forces are supported by the Indian Coast Guard and paramilitary organizations, Assam Rifles and Special Frontier Force, and various inter-service commands and institutions such as the Strategic Forces Command, the Andaman and Nicobar Command, and the Integrated Defence Staff. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces. The Indian Armed Forces are under the management of the Ministry of Defence of the Government of India. With strength of over 1.4 million active, it is the world's second largest military force. It also has the third largest defense budget in the world. The Indian Army is the largest component of the Indian Armed Forces, with a primary mission to ensure national security and to defend the nation from external aggression as well as internal threats, and to maintain peace and security within its border. India shares its borders with 6 countries, including Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, and Pakistan. While some neighbors are peaceful, India is under a constant threat from others. This makes the role of armed forces even more crucial in defending India's borders. So far, the Indian Army has been involved in 4 wars with neighboring Pakistan and 1 with China.
Recently, the Pulwama attack was one of the deadliest terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir, in which 40 CRPF personnel were martyred. The Pulwama attack happened on February 14, 2019, when a Jaish suicide bomber rammed a vehicle carrying over 100 kg of explosive into their car in Pulwama district. Apart from this, there was an attack by 4 heavily armed terrorists on September 18, 2026 near the town of Uri, Jammu and Kashmir. It was one of the deadly attacks on security forces in Kashmir into 2 decades. After this attack, government planned the surgical strike involving all the 3 forces, and the strike took place, eliminating the terrorists of Jaish-e-Mohammed. Kargil Vijay Divas. The Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in honor of the Kargil War's hero. This day is celebrated in the Kargil sector and the national capital New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers. The most rampant problem faced by India today is terrorism. As per Global Terrorism Index 2019, India is one of the countries most impacted by terrorism. India continues to face number of terror attacks in states such as Kashmir, Punjab, and Assam. In 2008, National Security Advisor M.K. Narayan has said that there are as many 800 terrorist cells operating in the country. As per report, from 210 to 218, terrorist incidents have claimed over 4,200 lives and left over 6,200 injured. Oh soldiers, I don't have words to thank you. It's your selfless love towards our nation that makes them to offer the supreme sacrifice for us. It's their bravery, courage, best skills, perfection and excellency that makes them special and eligible to serve our motherland.